Hello, in this video we're going to cover how to organize a paragraph. So a paragraph should have three sections: the topic sentence, the supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. Paragraphs are usually between 4 to 6 sentences. The average is usually 5 sentences from what I've seen. And in this video, we're going to cover how to write a body paragraph. So the topic sentence is one sentence at the beginning of the paragraph, and it expresses the main idea of the paragraph. So when I read the topic sentence, I should be able to know what the rest of the paragraph is going to be about. So in this paragraph, the topic sentence is, "We visited many famous tourist places." So when reading that, I know that the rest of this paragraph is going to be about many famous tourist places. I know that it's going to tell me about tourist places that this person went to. Supporting sentences are found in the middle of the paragraph. They are details that support the main idea. They usually have they're usually between 2 to 4 sentences. In this example, we had the topic sentence, "We visited many famous tourist places," and the supporting sentences are, "My favorite was the Louvre, a well-known museum. I was always interested in art, so that was a special treat for me. The museum is so huge, you could spend weeks there." So in these sentences, they're telling us about the tourist place, the Louvre, and they're giving us details about the museum. The last sentence of the paragraph is the concluding sentence. It's usually one sentence, and it summarizes the paragraph and transitions onto the next topic. So, in this example that we've been dissecting, the concluding sentence is, "Henry got tired of walking around the museum and said, 'Enough, I need to take a break and rest.'" So this is basically telling us the summary of the museum experience. It's telling us the end of it. It's ending this this thought that they're trying to express in this paragraph. So a paragraph, you have your topic sentence, your supporting sentences, and then a concluding sentence. So when you write a paragraph, you should have these 5 things. The supporting sentence, sometimes in a paragraph you can have 2, sometimes you can have 4. What's most important is that the supporting sentence is supporting the topic sentence. It's giving more details about the topic sentence. And remember, the topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph. Here's another example. "The warm weather allows me to play outside." This topic sentence tells us what the rest of the paragraph is going to be about. It tells us that the warm weather, it lets us know that this paragraph is about the warm weather, and this person is going to play outside because of the warm weather. Here in red are the supporting details, so it should be supporting the topic sentence. "I play under the sprinkler with my brother. We run through the water and scream each time. At night, I play hide and seek with my friends. I usually hide behind a big bush." So these sentences in red are telling us of the times that they play outside. And in green we see the concluding sentence. I love it when the weather is warm. So it's ending this paragraph. It's summarizing everything for us. In this next example, topic sentence, I started tennis when I was 4 years old, and it has been my favorite sport ever since. So we know that this paragraph is going to be about tennis and how this person really likes tennis. It's their favorite sport. My older sister used to go to lessons and showed me how to hit the ball. I like to play tennis every Saturday, but it has become harder to do now that I am studying a lot. So in these supporting sentences, it's giving us more details about this person playing tennis. And in the concluding sentence, in green, it says, tennis is very special to me because it is something I share with my sister. So they're summarizing their thoughts on tennis in this paragraph. Now, this example that I gave you is usually used for body paragraphs. But for the rest of this course, where you're expected to write a paragraph using this example, so a topic sentence, supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence.